Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Forester. The Subaru Forester is a sensible, practical, and affordable vehicle. It has an impressive, comfortable ride and handles well. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, panoramic roof, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, fog lamps, tires, front all season, LED headlights, tires, rear all season. Immerse yourself in pure bliss as you cruise along, leaving your worries behind.